All right, time to see what happens with some big trucks doing backflips. Good to try to hit it?
Yeah.
I was afraid I was going to come down on the lip of it, so I gagged it at the...
So that side is a little bit like more of a long jump. This side has more steepness to it.
So this side
you gotta make sure you have enough speed because you'll go short.
Well, I was using those as your barrier, man, so I wasn't worried about it. Man, you about to take the lawnmower out if you can.
I came down on the lawnmower, I fucked the lawnmower up. I broke the lawnmower, oh no!
Did you ever fix it for the first time? God dang.
I didn't realize you were jumping too.
Yeah, I thought you were coming back.
Dude, I knew you were jumping, so I was like, hell yeah, brother. I knew I wasn't going to get you.
That sounded crunchy. Can't literally hit it slow enough. What in the hell? Can't hit it slow enough, can't hit it fast enough.
Really?
Literally, this thing just does not, this is not the right pitch. It just took the 2x4 piece off. That trunk that was sticking wildly. It just fucking ripped it. Yeah, it's perfect for you. I need the Vorteks. You got a 3S that's charged by chance? We try with the Vorteks. Before my camera dies completely.
jumper's on tank!
The crazy thing, you broke the back, you popped the back out. You hit so hard on the front, it popped the back out.
God
that
damn.
was in the air when it popped.
God damn.
Sorry, one more time with this thing and I'm putting the wheel. This one really is a long jump compared to the other one.
Yeah, it's supposed to be long. Oh my God.
It was like a couple more rolls from the fucking I don't want to break this nice ass tripod. Just move this tripod. Vorteks could literally go anywhere. Literally anywhere. I wouldn't stand over there. I hit the top step of the pull ladder a minute ago.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I almost took the camera out.
Oh my God.
Oh, that did not look good. Damn, it broke the whole ass back arm off. It landed everything on one wheel. I was cool. Yep.
Oh my God, dude.
Not bad. That landing hurt. Flippy McFlip off. Well, guess that works.
That was intense. Yeah, everything's broke now.
I have a pin for this at least. We have officially broken every one of our vehicles between us. Everything is dead. It is an RC graveyard between us right now.
It is. Yeah.